Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more great yoga content. Today, we're diving into some common breathing techniques used in yoga and exploring their incredible benefits. Let's get started. Breathing, or pranayama, is a fundamental aspect of yoga that can significantly enhance your practice and overall well-being. Let's explore some of the most common techniques. First up is Nadi Shodhana, also known as alternate nostril breathing. This technique balances the mind and body, reduces stress, and improves concentration. Sit comfortably. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger, and exhale through your right nostril. Repeat on the other side. This practice brings harmony to your nervous system. Next is Ujjayi, or ocean breath. This technique calms the mind, increases oxygen consumption, and generates internal heat. Inhale deeply through your nose, slightly constricting the back of your throat to create a soft hissing sound. Exhale through your nose with the same constriction. This breath should be slow and steady. Kapalabhati, or skull shining breath, is a powerful technique that detoxifies the body, energizes the mind, and improves respiratory efficiency. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath in, and then perform short, powerful exhales through your nose, allowing the inhales to happen passively. Repeat this cycle for 1 to 2 minutes. Brahmari, or bee breath, is excellent for relieving stress and anxiety, promoting relaxation, and improving sleep quality. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and place your index fingers on your ears to close them. Take a deep breath in, and while exhaling, make a humming sound like a bee. Focus on the vibration in your head. Incorporating these breathing techniques into your yoga practice can enhance both your physical and mental well-being. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and namaste.